Welcome to Drawlipa channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to check how many apps uses your contacts on last 24 hours in your Android phone. Now the first thing you have to do is open up your settings app. Now from here scroll down, then go to security and privacy. Now from here scroll down again, and after that go to permission used in last 24 hours, and you can find this option under the privacy. Just tap on this arrow icon. From here you have to find contacts. That's it. Then just tap here, and here it is. Now here you can find two options, today and yesterday. And from here you can check your last 24 hours contacts details. And here you can find 7 apps which uses your contacts on last 24 hours. Suppose if you want to disable any app's contact access, you have to just select the app. If I select it, and from here you have to just select don't allow, then the app cannot get your contact access, and it's done. And that is how you can check how many apps uses your contacts on last 24 hours in your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.